Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Tribit Xsound Go speaker with the Android smartphone. And to do this, first we'll need to power on the speaker, so hold the power key for a few seconds until you hear the sound notification. Next is to open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. Scroll down till you see available devices. Now enter pairing mode on your speaker by pressing and holding the Bluetooth button. You should hear the loud beep, and then in available devices you'll see your Tribit Xsound Go. Click on it, then select pair, and now connection should be successful. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.